If you're an online entrepreneur, coach, or course creator looking for an all-in-one platform to run your business, Kajabi might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll give you a full review of Kajabi, how it works, its best features, and whether it's the right choice for you. Before we dive into the video though, if you want to try Kajabi for free, I have a special link that gives you a full 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. As a bonus, you'll get my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium Notion templates for free. So use the link in the description to get instant access to both. Now, let's get started. Kajabi recently had a big rebrand. It now has a clean, modern look and is much easier to use. The profile icon in the top right corner lets you quickly manage your account or get support. The main dashboard gives you a quick look at your signups, interactions, sales, and contacts. Plus, there's a super helpful search tool and an AI feature called AMA that helps you find resources or create copy without leaving the page. On the left sidebar, you'll find the main tabs like the Products tab. This is the heart of Kajabi. There are 6 product types: courses, coaching, community, podcasts, newsletters, and digital downloads. Each type is set up differently. For example, courses uses modules and lessons, while newsletters focus on content that's sent regularly. Under the Sales tab, you can manage payments, offers, and affiliates. Offers lets you group different products together so people can buy them as a bundle, and you can set flexible prices. You can also use coupon codes to give discounts or create limited time deals to get more signups. Plus, Kajabi has a built-in affiliate system so others can promote your products and you can track all their commissions in one place. The Website tab covers design, website pages, landing pages, navigation, and blogs. Kajabi has over 10 website themes to choose from, and each one is customizable. The drag and drop builder lets you add sections, columns, elements, and more with ease. There's also a code editor if you want more control over the design. Kajabi also introduced a branded mobile app option. It does come with an extra fee, but it lets you send push notifications and gives users a better mobile experience. If your audience likes getting updates instantly and interacts with your content a lot, having your own app could be worth it. The marketing section makes it easy to manage email campaigns, funnels, automations, events, and forms. You can create beautiful landing pages and opt-in forms with ease. Plus, you can set up automations to send emails or trigger actions based on user behavior. Contacts is the place where you can organize and understand your audience better. You can filter, group people into segments, and check out insights. It's also where you can manage assessments easily. Further down, we have analytics. It now provides detailed numbers on purchases, gross revenue, net revenue, and much more. These stats help you spot where people lose interest, so you can adjust things like headlines, layouts, or calls to action. The Creator Studio lets you repurpose long videos into shorter clips for social media or other channels. If you need extra help, Kajabi's expert services connects you with professionals who specialize in design, setup, or automation. There's also a template store where you can grab premium themes for a polished look. Overall, Kajabi has grown into much more than just a course platform. It's now an all-in-one system for digital businesses. You get everything you need in one place: website hosting, email marketing, product delivery, analytics, and more. This means you won't have to jump between different tools or subscriptions. When it comes to pricing, Kajabi has 4 pricing plans. The Kickstarter plan costs $89 per month and is great for beginners looking to get their business started. Next, the basic plan is $149 per month and gives you everything you need to grow your online presence. Then, the growth plan is $199 per month. It comes with advanced tools to help your business expand smoothly. Finally, the Pro plan is $399 per month. This plan is perfect for established businesses that need advanced marketing features and more products. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to try Kajabi for free, I have a special link in the description that gives you a 30-day free trial. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get instant access to my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium templates for free. So check the link below and I'll see you in the next video.